What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the jail, guys. We have a lot going on today, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right in it. Rear end for Boomer's car is back from Steve's Fab Shop. As you can see, we got the car over here on the lift. It's time to put this bad boy back on all fours. Let's run through this real quick, just to let you know. Half inch out of each end, shorten it up a little bit. Axle tubes welded. Of course, it was on the jig and straightened, and Steve's Fab Shop killed it, and then it got a nice little bit of powder coat there. So she's solid and good to go. Inside the case, because we've already built rear ends on here, I didn't film it. 355 gears, spool, 35 spline, Mosers, I believe. Strange axles. Team Z rear suspension already bolted up, looking pretty beefy. And then, of course, the Strange drag brakes, looking sweet. C-clip eliminators. I mean, guys, this thing is solid. Whatever this car throws at it, he's gonna be good to go. So the plan is we're gonna go ahead and get the rear end back in the car so it's actually on wheels. We've been kind of setting it on dollies and stuff like that to move it around, but guys, I'm telling you, this car is coming together in a very big way. So guys, if you are new to the channel, Gen 2 Coyote, 6R80 Circle D converter, Motion Raceworks, turbo kit, 4 fuel system. It's pretty awesome. We've been working on the interior mainly, which is, I mean, we've made a huge leap forward in progress on this bad boy. So you can see Dover's on the wiring in there. It's looking good. Clusters in, I did the door panels, so give your boy a little credit now. Let's see. But yeah, guys, it's starting to look like something. Lift it up, get it back on all fours. We should be good to go. How about that parachute, though? Yeah? Alright, get this thing in there and see if we can get a rear end up under it. Alright, so we haven't had a nice up the skirt view in a while, but you can see Steve's Fab Shop did some work on the radiator. The reason being, you got all the hot side right here, and there's your outlet. So basically, it used to be right here, so that wasn't going to work. So now we're going to try to make a loop to there, and shouldn't have any more clearance issues with the lower radiator hose. But yeah, everything's looking good under here. Got the trans cooler and all that's already mounted. Trans mounted. Got the Strange adjustables. Then the upper part of the Team Z. Is it Team Z or AJE?
Team Z.
Team Z anti-roll bar. And of course, all the torque box reinforcements already done. So time to get that rear end in here. Alright, I'm gonna steady it. And here it goes. Wow. Going on up.
Yeah, going up. Right, hold up.
Good.
Should be pretty close.
I'm back on all fours, first time in a while. Yeah, these are friggin' nice.
Yes, sir.
Super duper race. Whole lot of hardware up under here. Got the 4 fuel tank. And then one more thing we gotta do, guys, is for the lower links for the anti-roll bar. I'm gonna weld those on. But other than that, it's definitely coming together back here. Alright, one spring in, one to go. We should be pretty good. Put some shock bolts in. Oh Lord. Flying objects. Disclaimer, kids, don't try this at home. That's it.
Oh, yeah, she's gonna go now.
Yeah. Alright. Hybach drag launch springs in. Very nice. This thing ought to hook up and go extremely straight. Alright guys, so big progress on the Turbo GT. You can see that the rear end is rock solid. Like I said, 35 spline axles. I mean, it's pretty well bulletproof. This thing ought to be awesome. So where are we at now? We still got to do fuel system, just run the lines. Everything up front pretty well done. Tank is in. You know, nothing too crazy yet. Shouldn't be too long. You can see you got all the cold side and everything's all powder coated and cleaned up, looking good. Looking forward to getting this bad boy on the dyno. Guys, so quick shop update. Wanted to let you know, yes, there is a large pallet on the way for Jennings' car. Shouldn't be long at all, and we'll let the cat out of the bag of what is the what coming for the Bimini blue car, and also Lee's car. As you can see, if you caught the last video, guys, we got the Power by the Hour built 6R80 back in. It's all good to go, so Lee's gonna be picking up that bad boy and make a little extra room around here, and at that point you can kind of put the finishing touches on Boomer's car, get back, do some more on George's car, maybe some parts for the Reef Blue car. Who knows? You can't ever tell.
Leave the house?
Yeah. Oh yes, yes. The Chris's two-tone GT, which his motor's sitting right over there. We're expecting, I don't know what we're expecting at this point. Possibly a stroker, possibly something else. I mean, who knows? I will say, guys, in starting mid 2020 and on through, you know, now 2021, parts are very hard to come by, and I've alluded to this before, but yeah, there's a lot of parts just for some reason are back ordered, backlogged. All the people that are complaining about why I don't have the second red seat in my car. Alright guys, and just like that, we're back at the home garage. I know I haven't been here in a while. It's just, guys, I try to keep the variety up as well as keep up with keeping all the projects moving and everything. Just like, I'm telling y'all, if you could see what it takes sometimes. Okay guys, so let's talk real quick. Obviously we've got Adam's Thunderbird, and I have not talked about what is coming for Adam's Thunderbird. The first thing is Dover and I are going to convert the car over to Hydro Boost. So you can see the car has manual brakes, and I'm just going to go ahead and tell you the manual brakes are extremely hard. I have felt manual brakes that were actually very good, and I probably wouldn't have upgraded. But Adam's car definitely needs the manual brakes. So we're going to do that, convert it over to Hydro Boost. Then at that point, it is going over to the crew at Silver Sport Transmission over in East Tennessee. And it is getting their T56 Magnum kit with the hydraulic clutch a kit that they've just developed and that we put on Jennings' Viper Blue car. So keep it tuned for that. We will be loading this up and heading east, do some filming over with the guys at Silver Sport Transmission. They got an awesome shop, fully stocked on Tremex. Hit them up if you need anything manual transmission related. They are the go-to. Okay, so let's talk about the red car. Yes, the red car. It's still here, guys. You know, it's just kind of here. We've got the we're waiting for track to open. Got the brand new slicks here. I did one tiny little hit on them, but yeah, the slicks are right there. Gears in. Are gonna get the two-step on here shortly, as time permits, guys. As you know, my car and Dover's truck rarely get worked on. This because all the stuff we do on other people's cars. So, but the car is running absolutely fantastic, guys. The Contour fans and the new SVA radiator are freaking amazing. All my cooling issues have been solved. And as you can, I don't know if you can kind of see how clean that is now. It's just, I'm in love with this kit. It really did wonders for not just the aesthetics of the underhood, but also the cooling issue we've been having as well. All right, guys, and last and final note, a couple other things. Yes, Pop's car is up at Adams in Michigan getting painted, so I'm hoping we'll have maybe just some update pictures here before too long of Pop's car. Plan is to reveal that at Ford Takeover, and again, stop by the website and make sure you're locked and loaded for Ford Takeover 2021, May 7th and 8th. Going to 2 full days. Going to be freaking awesome. So that's also taking up a very large portion of my time and making it difficult to get anything else done. So yeah, that's the what with Pop's car. And what else? Event season, guys, is popping off. I'm not 100% sure what events we're going to be at this year. I know we will be at Mustang Week, Foxtoberfest, and Holly Ford Fest. Depending on how loose things get with the pandemic, I would like to get back into doing the meet and greets that we did at like Moe's Speed Shop and Scram Speed and stuff like that. Those were a lot of fun. Plan to do those again as soon as everything kind of gets back to normal, and you know, we can catch up. Like I said, guys, we get so many irons in the fire. It's kind of crazy. But part of it, gotta love it. So, and again, huge shout out to Brutal Vlogs. He will be there. The man, excited to have him there. He's helping out a bunch with some stuff. And of course, Speed Addict 731. Let's see, Mustangs of the Mid-South. They're heading up the cruise and all of that. And then all of the freaking sponsors, guys. Detroit Speed, Silver Sport Transmission, Stiflers, LMR, Power by the Hour. I mean, these guys are making this all possible. And, you know, it's a team effort, guys. And swear to God, it never ends. And I need a nap and a vacation. So, okay, that's it. I'm done whining. I'm done complaining because we got work to do. Thanks, everybody, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and keep an eye out, guys, because there will be a new owner drawn very soon for Project 4 to 8, and then we'll get to deliver it, I think. I don't know. Maybe they'll come here. Who knows? You never know. But